Assalamu alaikum and welcome again to ChadNass TV. I'm so happy to talk to you and especially to my lovely viewers everywhere. So today we are going to continue studying the linking words and the lesson of today is about how to express purpose. How to express purpose or the goal. In Arabic, الدرس ديال اليوم غادي ندرسو ادوات الربط وبالخصوص فاش كنحاولوا نعبروا على الغايه من اجل فعل ما شيء ما. Okay, so expressing the purpose is telling why you are doing this, why you did this, why you have done this. So you are telling why you are, so the purpose why you are doing this. And to express the purpose we need some linking words or some linkers. I have chosen the most important linkers that we need in the national exam, inshallah. So we can begin with, for example, just to, okay, simply to, not to. Please don't forget the negative forms, okay. In the exam, we should not ignore, we should not ignore, I said, the negative forms, okay? So if we have to, we can also have not to, okay? In order to, or the negative of this is in order not to. In order not to, okay? So as to, and the negative form is so as not to. So what is the common point between these linkers is that they are followed by bare infinitive. Bare means infinitive without to. هذا مجموعة من أدوات الربط اللي كتعبر على الغاية. كنقول مثلا كندير شي من أجل. So عندي واحد المجموعة ديال أدوات الربط ولكن شكون اللي النقطة المشتركة بيناتهم هي أنهم كيتبعهم فعل غير مصرف. And then the second group is so that, in order that. So we have a second group of linkers which express the purpose is followed by subject plus modal. Okay, so that and subject and modal. In order that, and the last one we can have for, and this for can be followed by a noun, but here I've chosen to focus only on the gerund form. If you do gerund form is better, okay? So we're now going to see work on an example that I have chosen here. So I'm studying hard this year because I want to have an excellent grade. This is an example, okay? So أنا أدرس جيدا هذا السنة لأنني أريد الحصول على علامة جيدة. أريد الحصول because I want to. So I want to. What's this? Means what I want. Yes, my goal. هذه العبارة ديال I want to have كتعني أنني الهدف من العمل بجدية. أوكي السنة. شنو الهدف من هذا العمل بجدية؟ هو الحصول على علامة جيدة. So we can, this sentence has used because, but we can express the purpose by choosing one of these linkers in the sentence and it will become like this. For example, I'm studying hard this year, just to, okay, just this to. So I'm studying hard this year to have, bare infinite, to have an excellent grade. إذا هنا هذه الجملة الأولى نقدر نختاروا أي رابط من هذه الروابط ديال التعبير على الغاية وكان نحصلوا على جملة هي أنا أدرس جيدا هذه السنة من أجل هذه هي الغاية. أوكي من أجل ونقدر نستعملوا يلا to have an excellent grade. Now I have chosen some sentences that are typically similar to what you may find in exam. اختاريت بعض التمارين, okay, 4 sentences which are nearly similar to what you may find in the exam. هادو بعض التمارين اللي ممكن لكي شبيهين ما يمكن الحصول عليه في الامتحان الوطني. إذا باش نولفوا الأجواء ديال الامتحان. Suppose we have my brother has read 3 English novels this month. He wants to look. Pay attention to this. He wants to improve his English. That's intention. Okay. الأخ ديالي كيقرا ومازال كيقرا has read 3 English novels this month. يعني الأخ ديالي الأخ ديالي كمل 3 ديال الروايات بالإنجليزية هذا الشهر. علاش؟ شنو الغاية من هذه القراءة ديال الروايات بالإنجليزية؟ هو أن بغى يطور اللغة ديالو في الإنجليزية. Okay. So this is expressed here. He wants to. هذه هي العبارة اللي كتقول لنا بغى. Okay. So they give us this linker so as to. Where is so as to? Here is so as to. It is followed by bare infinitive. إذا عندي هذه الجملة هذه بغاو يطلبوا منا نربطوا هاد جوج الجمل to link these 2 sentences by using this linker so as to, which is for purpose. إذا ما غاديش ندير التكرار ديال هاد العبارة ونزيد العبارة ديال. إذا غادي يكون عندي واحد تكرار أو رتابة في الأسلوب. إذا غادي نلغي هاد he wants to because this is his intention. So it will become like this. My brother has read 3 English novels this month. So we can say we drop this expression and we can say so as. So as what? So as plus infinitive with the verb. So as to improve. So we have now used this linker so as to talk about or express the purpose. And we can use any of these linker. Okay. Now let's move to number 2. My friend usually wakes up early in the morning. الصديق ديالي دائما كيفيق بكري في الصباح. لماذا؟ He doesn't want to be late for school. ما بغاش يوصل متأخر للمدرسة. Okay. And they give us in order not to. In order not to. من أجل أن لا يتأخر عني. So, the same thing. We're not going to use this form, okay? Because if you want to use it, we should drop this, okay? إلا بغينا نستعمل هاد أداة الربط خصنا نلغيو هاد العبارة هادي, okay? He doesn't want, so it becomes. Sorry, we have to drop this full stop. Now my friend usually wakes up early in the morning. Drop the full stop and it becomes in order not to be late for school. إذا حصلنا على جملة كتعبر على الغاية باستعمال لنا هذه الأداة الربط in order not to be late for school. Now number 3. I spent my last summer holiday in Italy. قضيت العطلة الصيفية السنة الماضية في إيطاليا. I had the intention to visit its historical monuments. كان عندي لماذا اختاريت إيطاليا ولماذا اختاريت قضاء العطلة تما؟ كان عندي الهدف، كان عندي النية أنني نزور المآثر التاريخية ديال إيطاليا. So, where is the linker here? So that it is not followed by infinite, but it is followed by subject plus modal. And pay attention, you have to be careful when choosing the right modal that goes with this context. نكونوا حريصين على اختيارنا الموديل اللي كيتماشى مع هذا السياق. Because we can express ability, we can express possibility, we can express obligation and so on. So that the same thing, we are going to drop this because this include this tell us the intention. إذا غادي نلغي هاد العبارة هذه. كان عندي النية. So this is purpose. هنا ضمنيا كاين الغاية. إذا غادي نلغي هاد العبارة هادي and full stop. So I spent my last summer holiday in Italy so that I subject. Now the model that goes with this. إذا كنقول so that I could ability in the past. ability in the past. إذا عارف في الماضي لأن السياق كيتماشى مع الماضي summer. Now I'm learning the use of linking words because I want to use them in my writing. The same thing. We are not going to. Here is the intention. Here is the goal. Now we're going to change this by using just for. So it becomes now. I'm going to drop this because I want to. And look, we have for, so plus gerund. So we're going to use, for example, I'm learning the use of linking words. Why? For using them in my writing. So this is what? This is the gerund form because we have for. So this is, generally speaking, some of the main linkers that are needed to express purpose and that are needed also to know in the national exam. So at the end, if you have any questions, please write this on your commentary, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like this lesson. At the end, I'd like to say thank you for watching and wish you a nice day.